Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from fixpectus.com, and what I wanted to talk about is being lean and how key that is for Pectus. What kind of brought this to my attention and my mind was seeing some of my recent transformations I posted on the Pectus Warriors Instagram. If you don't already follow that, then make sure to, and also if you don't subscribe to this channel, make sure to. But yeah, check out the Pectus Warriors Instagram. I put on a lot of different client testimonials and Pectus Warrior testimonials on there. And some of the recent ones I posted of Bashar and Linus and Coy and Marco, you know, they really exemplify the point that this isn't just about becoming mass monsters. You know, that's not the goal here. The goal is to develop a physique and develop your abs and your obliques and get lean and show those muscle definitions. Show the muscle definition of your pecs protruding from your ribs, you know. When you're big and bulky, it kind of just accentuates the pot belly and everything. But when you get shredded and you really work on dialing in and tightening your core and your obliques, you know, that's when pectus really becomes less noticeable. That's when the rib flare becomes less noticeable. That's when the indent becomes less noticeable because you've got developed and defined pecs around your indent, you know? And so like, yeah, if you look at all those testimonials on my Instagram, you'll see that that's a common theme. If you're ever unsure about, you know, whether you should be bulking or cutting, or, you know, whether you're just unsure about your training, you're not feeling like you're progressing properly like you see with my client testimonials, you're not getting those kind of results, reach out to me. I have my coaching service. I have client spots available still. And I would love to get in touch and work with you personally, and you know, and get you those results you deserve, because I know for one, you know, having pectus sucks, and when you fix it and you become confident in your body with pectus, fuck, it's a life-changing thing. So I'd love to get you there. Anyway, link is in the description if you're interested in signing up for that. Like the video if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.